Hey guys, this is Don and Kathy Sutphin, Silver Consultants with Evolution Travel. I wanted to give you a little rundown of why you should consider becoming a travel agent with Evolution Travel. Did you know that travel is the largest and sexiest industry? It's an $8 trillion business. That's right, trillion. They project within the next 10 years for travel to become a $15 trillion business. Now, what does this mean? It means that everybody travels. Everybody, including you. So why not get a piece of it? Evolution pays 80% commission, which is the highest in the industry. We also have a profit sharing pool. We have access to over 133 different suppliers: Carnival, Sheridan, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, Disney. Disney, guys, if you do the online course with Disney and become a Disney specialist, you're going to get a free ticket to Disney, plus all the perks and benefits of being a travel agent. Then you have an opportunity to earn cruises. That's right, free cruises. All you got to pay are port taxes and taxes, which can be between $150 and $250. That's it. You can do a 5, 7, 10, 14-day cruise. It doesn't matter. All the cost to you are your port taxes and taxes. Kathy and I get a free cruise to the Caribbean. We're going to do a 14-day cruise. Look at how much it's going to cost us. $0. And like I said before, all we pay are port taxes and taxes. This particular one is $245.36. That is all we pay for a 14-day cruise going to 8 different ports. Guys, it doesn't get any better than that. Check out some of the perks and benefits in our discount directory in our back office. All you do is choose your city, theme parks, movie tickets, shows and events, ski resorts, sporting events, concerts, major events. Guys, you're getting some really good discounts in your back office. Food items, fast food, Taco Bell, free. Buy one, get one free steak and shake, Checkers. There are hundreds of different discount products in the back office. You definitely want to take advantage of that. Now let's talk about tax deductions. We have over 300 different tax deductions. We have got some agents that signed up exclusively for the tax deductions only. They don't want to sell travel. They want to be able to offset their tax. Cable bill, portions of your house, portions of your utility bills. You can even use security dogs. There's an amazing amount of things that you can use with tax deductions. Publicly traded. We are the only travel agency that is publicly traded. That's right, we're on the stock market. Our host agency is over 65 years old. We're in Who's Who in Travel with hundreds of millions of dollars of travel. All of our training is free and online, which includes the certification. We have Zoom trainings, which I'll explain that in a little bit. So let me ask you a question. When's the last time you went on a 7-day vacation? Let's say a Carnival cruise for 7 days. And it cost you roughly $3,000, give or take a little bit. What did you get from Carnival for taking your cruise besides the receipt and a thank you? Well, when you join Evolution Travel, you're going to get commission for taking your cruise. That's right. You're going to get paid to go on vacation. So let's just say your cruise ran you $3,000. Your commission is going to be roughly $300, $350. And you're going to get commission for taking your cruise. How awesome is that? Also, with Evolution Travel, there are no quotas and no recruiting whatsoever. That's right. No quotas, no recruiting. Now you're ready to sign up. Get with the person you're talking to about signing up with Evolution Travel. They're going to send you an enrollment form. When you sign up, you're going to be given a website. A travel website, so you want to be thinking of a name for your website. There is a $69.95 monthly fee, which comes out 30 days after you sign up, and we're going to talk about that in a couple of minutes. I think I want to get started, but I have some questions. How much travel do I have to sell before I'm able to benefit from the discounts and savings? Once you sign up, get your certification, you are entitled to all the benefits and discounts and savings that Evolution has to offer. You are a travel agent. Is this one of those pyramid things? Absolutely not. We are not dependent on signing people up. Remember I said earlier, there is no recruiting. There are no quotas. Recruiting is not a requirement. What we sell is travel. That's all we sell. And we share the opportunity. Can I use the benefits for me and my family? Definitely, guys, take advantage of it. Go on trips, do some bookings, take advantage of the perks and discounts. That's the best way you're going to learn about the travel industry. Can I buy stock in a company even if I am not a travel agent? Definitely. We are the only publicly traded travel agency, like I mentioned. Our stock is sits, and I recommend to look it up and buy. How are you to make money? The supplier pays the travel agent's commission. When the trip is over with or is paid for in full, the supplier will send over the commission to Archer Travel. Archer Travel, in turn, will go ahead and send you, the booking agent, 80% of the commission that was sent over. Now, your upline, who recommended you to the company, will be receiving 10% commission. Now, that is not 10% of your 80. That is totally separate. You, the booking agent, will receive 80% commission. Next question I get asked, why does it cost $69.95 a month? Well, with any business comes expenses. You're getting a website, accounting services, use of the IATA number, which is your travel agent number. You're getting 80% commission, marketing, customer service. Guys, $69.95 is very minimal to run a business, and it is also tax deductible. Now, if you choose to do this as a business, I'm going to show you how you can have that $69.95 waived. Like I mentioned earlier, there is no recruiting and there are no quotas. But let's just go ahead and say when you sign up, you're really getting into it. You're taking advantage of the perks and benefits. You've done a couple trips. You've already booked travel and you're out, with a family or whatever, and you're talking about traveling. And they ask you, hey, can I do what you're doing? Absolutely they can. So if you were to bring on 3 people, 50 to 75% of your $69.95 will be put into the residual profit pool, which will be taken care of. If you put on 6 people, 100% of that $69.95 is paid for, giving you a free business. Now, let's go ahead and you put on 9 people. Not only do you have a free business, not only is that $69.95 gone, but you're going to be putting about $100 to $150 every single month into the bank. And that's only when you reach silver. Now, when you reach gold, you're starting to make some serious money. And then when you're going for platinum, you're making some really, really good money. Next question I get asked is, how do we get paid? You're going to get paid up to 3 times a month. And let me explain that. The first way is, just like we talked about, the residual profit pool. You got 9 people, you're silver. You're going to get paid the first Friday after the 15th of the month with your residual money, $100 to $150 in the bank, and your $69.95 is gone. The other way is, you've got 9 people underneath you. Now let's say 7 out of the 9 book a 7-day cruise. The commission, the 10%, which goes to you, is going to be roughly $35 per person. So out of those 7, your commission would be roughly $245. That's the second way. Now the third way is when you're booking cruises for you or clients. You're going to get the 80% commission for either way. So you have 3 different sources of income coming in every month. Now, the next question I get asked, do you have training in person? I am a hands-on person. Yes, we do. We have training at our house. We have Zoom trainings going on all the time around the country where you just dial in. We have weekly trainings. You will never, ever run out of training. We have training in our back office. We have several different types of videos. So like I say, you will never run out of training. Now, the next question I get asked is, how do I qualify for all of the home-based business tax deductions? By running your business like a business, guys. Your monthly fees are tax deductible. Your startup costs are tax deductible. You've got over 300 different tax deductible items that you can use. It will save you a tremendous amount of money. I would suggest get with your tax preparer. Let them know what you're doing. They have all the information. Save your receipts for everything is all that can offer you. I'm not a tax preparer, so I don't really want to get into all of that. But talk to your tax preparer. Now, the next question I got is, can I do this part-time at my job? Yes, you can. I strongly suggest do not run out and quit your full-time job. Do this part-time. Spend an hour or two a day on it. Book yourself some cruises. Start doing the online courses. And when you feel comfortable, do what you got to do. But this is fantastic for retired, stay-at-home mom and dads, disabled, any type of medical issues. It doesn't matter. Anyone can do this. Become a travel agent from home. So let's go ahead and summarize a little bit about what we talked about. Travel is an $8 trillion industry. Everybody travels. Evolution pays 80% commission. You get a professional booking website. We have a profit sharing pool. We have access to over 133 different suppliers, Universal, Disney, Royal Caribbean, Princess, Carnival, and so on. You have the opportunity of earning free cruises. All you pay are port taxes and taxes, along with the perks and benefits. We have over 300 tax deductions that you can take advantage of. We are publicly traded, the only travel agency on the stock market. Our host agency is 65 years old, hundreds of millions of dollars of travel, who's who in travel. All our training is free and online. We do Zoom trainings. We do one-on-one trainings. You will never get bored with training. You get paid to go on vacation. There's no quotas or recruiting. And it's only $30 to sign up. That's right, $30. Don't pass up an opportunity. With that being said, my contact information, travelbydon@gmail.com. And if you notice under our logo, you'll see our registration numbers. The registration, we take care of that for you, so you do not need to go out and get a license. So with that being said, we will see you at the bank, but most definitely we're going to see you at the beach. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.